Change management in college admissions. Introduction. Change is a constant in both personal and professional realms, and how we navigate it defines our growth and adaptability. In my professional journey, I experienced a significant change while managing the admissions department at an Ontario public college. This change involved having domestic admissions officers handling international applications and vice versa. That is, international admissions officers also doing domestic. Using insights from this course's readings and personal experiences, I will reflect on this change, its impact, and the lessons learned. The change. The change was implemented to address the rising international enrollment and to create a more integrated admissions process. Admissions officers previously specialized in either domestic-only or international-only applications. We had to broaden their scope to include all types of applications to accommodate for the influx of international enrollment and the direction the college was looking to shift. So as I said, the shift would mean domestic officers would now process international applications and vice versa, requiring them to both step outside of their comfort zones and learn new processes. Impact and meaning. For me, this change was both a challenge and an opportunity. It was a planned change, driven by the necessity to accommodate a diverse student population. While it initially evoked emotions such as fear, uncertainty, and resistance amongst the staff, it also presented a chance to foster a more adaptable and skilled team. Increasing your ability to navigate change as a leader, as mentioned by Andersen 2022, can benefit both individuals and the organization. By understanding the usual human response to change and coaching your team through the essential mindset adjustment, you create a climate in which change is regarded as less scary and more achievable. This can lead to increased employee acceptance, engagement, and support, resulting in smoother transitions and higher success with organizational change implementation. The benefits and costs. The benefit of this change included a more versatile admissions team capable of handling a wider range of applications, which improved overall efficiency and responsiveness to the growing international student body. However, the costs involved significant emotional strain on the staff, who were used to their specialized roles, who worked those positions for a very long time. There was a steep learning curve, and initial mistakes were inevitable. Providing basic information about the change, clarifying priorities, giving employees control, and providing ongoing support helps them manage change more effectively, as Thomson 2014 put. This not only helps with the immediate transformation process, but it also develops an adaptable and resilient organizational change culture. Resistance and adaptation. Resistance to change is natural. As Doeze Jager et al. 2022 noted, resistance to change may occur, which concerns individuals' negative responses to change, and which will be based on their earlier experience of organizational changes. As the manager, I encountered resistance marked by anger, fear, and defiance. And to note, I also noticed the senior leaders' hostile attitudes towards the staff's emotional responses compounded this resistance, making my role that much more challenging. To navigate this, I embraced the change by fostering a positive and supportive environment. Leading by example, I focused on reassurance and welcomed the transitional period where mistakes were expected. This approach was grounded in the belief that trust and leadership can mitigate resistance. Leaders can promote trust and psychological safety within the organization by understanding and responding to employees' worries and fears regarding change. This encourages open communication and collaboration, which improves organizational cohesion and effectiveness. Andersen 2022. Overall, leaders who effectively manage change have a beneficial impact on their teams, encouraging growth, adaptation, innovation, and productivity. Engagement and support. I engaged the admissions officers directly, listening to their concerns and providing continuous support through training and open communication, recognizing the importance of a guiding coalition, as Kotter and Cohen 2002 suggested, I built a team of key influencers within the department to drive the change effort. Reaching out to people who hold similar job duties as me on my LinkedIn network also provided invaluable support. Without going into too much detail, I could ask questions and learn from their experiences on effective change management strategies. This external perspective helped me stay grounded and maintain a positive approach. Reflection and lessons learned. Looking back, I draw several lessons from this experience. First, the importance of creating a sense of urgency and a clear vision cannot be overstated. Communicating the need for change effectively helped in aligning the team's efforts towards a common goal. Second, empowering employees and recognizing small victories fostered a sense of ownership and motivation. Lastly, consistent and empathetic leadership at all levels is crucial for successful change implementation. This experience also highlighted the difference between leadership and management. As Hodges 2021 stated, leadership produces change, transformation, and disruption, while management produces order and consistency. The situation required leaders who were involved, trusted, and empathetic towards the staff, dealing with emotional distress rather than managers focused solely on maintaining order. During the change, my thoughts and feelings evolved from initial anxiety about staff resistance to satisfaction as the team adapted and improved. Over time, the staff became more confident in their new roles and their department's efficiency improved, validating the change. Conclusion. This experience taught me that effective change management requires a blend of strategic planning, empathetic leadership, and continuous support. By embracing these principles, I am better prepared to navigate future changes with resilience and adaptability. Understanding the human response to change and fostering an environment of trust and psychological safety are key components in ensuring successful transitions.